Hey, what's up guys? If you're looking for a mic arm set, you might want to check this one out. InnoGear low profile mic arm set. It's been a long time I've been wanting to get one of these because I use my microphone. You see, it has this small stand, and every time I talk, like, oh, I need to bring it up like that. Or when I'm sitting down, like, oh no, I need to fix it like that. So here we go. I got this from Amazon. Links in the description below. Let's go ahead and open this one up and try to show you what are the things that you can take advantage of this InnoGear. My first time to open this one. It has the manual. It has some of these things. I haven't set up this one. Check everything out. Then of course the arm set. I usually figure it out while installing, so this is made of metal and it folds. You have this one, it's a microphone holder. And I think my microphone right here, we can remove this stand of this microphone. This one goes here and this one goes like that. So I need to remove the cable first. And basically this is a zoom mic. Okay, so this one, it depends if you have the stand. I think you can just put the mic here depending on what type of mic you have. So at least if you have different kind of mic, you still mount it here. And you have a strap that we can use, comes with it. This one is like an extra because I have already with my microphone here, the one you have seen, so I'm not going to use that. Okay, this one is for the stand of the table, so we can check this one out. So I'm going to set it up first here so you can see. So we can place this one here. There you go, as an example, we can use this one till it's tight. Then, after that, this is the low profile mic. We just put it, hook it like that. Yep, so it's going to be sturdy. Maybe we can put the cable and the strap here, use it like that. The reason why I got this one, low profile, this is what they call the low profile, is that it's not going to be like an arm going like this into my mouth, right? It's going up and I can just do it like that. When I'm going to do some unboxing or some videos, I can just go ahead and move this one. Let's try it on my desk so that you can see if you're trying to record something on your desk as well. If I was supposed to be like, you know, recording something. Yo guys, what up? This is the new mic stand that I got for the desk, wherein it is InnoGear, good for podcast, video, making videos, voiceovers into your desk. So if I'm going to make a tutorial or try to record something, or I'm going to do a voiceover on my videos, this would be very good. So if you want to check this one out, it's there in the description below. Link to Amazon. See you guys. If you want more videos like this, consider subscribing, and I have a lot more coming. See ya guys. Thank you for watching this video.